How to find out where is the center of the image in Adobe Photoshop, on vertical or on horizontal. We have two methods. Let's go here to view. The faster method is to use the guides, and the slower one is to use the rulers. This is less precise. So come here to guides, new guide layout. We have columns and rows, check that one also. Reduce the number of columns, type in just 2. Number of rows also 2. And here at gutter, type in 0. Gutter for the rows also 0. And there is the center of the image, so this black line should be a little bit to the right. Okay, we can close this window. And to clear these lines, we have to go here to view, guides, and clear canvas guides. Another method is to come to view, guides, new guide, and let's say on horizontal we have to type in, let's say 50, but not pixel, but instead of percent. 50% horizontal, and close it with OK. That's the horizontal middle. View, guides, new guide. This time let's try the vertical one, also 50 and percent. Close it with OK. That's the vertical center of the image. View, guides, clear canvas guides. Now let's use the next method, view, ruler. Ctrl R is the hotkey. Here on the left side we have the 0, and it's going to the right side till almost 2600. So half of 2600 would be 1300. So somewhere there is the vertical center of the image. But of course this method is less precise. And the same thing for the other direction. From 0 it's going down and it stops at around 1400. Half of that is 700, so 700 and a little bit more. This is the horizontal center of the image. Ctrl R to hide the rulers.